Hi, I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger for Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie, here today at the Community College of Philadelphia. I'm going to show you how to fry an egg over medium. Let's get started. In this bowl, I've just cracked one fresh egg, and then you need a pan that you're going to get really hot with some olive oil at the bottom. That's it. And then, obviously, your spatula. So what I'm going to do, after you have your egg cracked and you didn't break your yolk or anything, you're going to put your oiled pan on the stove. Get it really, really hot. And one way to check that is you can either like splash a little bit of water or put a little piece of salt in it and see if it sizzles. Once it's really, really hot, you're going to just gently pour your egg right into your pan so that it doesn't break. You're going to let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes depending on how high your heat is. And once you start to see the white form on the outside of the egg, you're going to gently go under with your spatula and just give it a nice and gentle flip. And then you pour it on your plate and you're all done. And here's what it looks like. I just garnished it with a little bit of parsley, some salt, some pepper. It is perfect. And to test your perfect mediumly cooked egg, take a fork, cut right through it, and that's what you'll see. Your yolk flows unbelievably. There you go. That's how you fry eggs over medium. Again, I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger for Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie, here today at the Community College of Philadelphia. Enjoy.